We back out here. Just got done doing that gnarly rock wall after a freaking creek crossing. That ain't easy. Yeah, just gotta commit to it though, that's what it is. It's a little intimidating, but momentum is your friend on that situation. Woo, around the corner. Oh yeah. Make sure you guys smash that like button, man. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video. We're out here putting in the work. Trying to get you guys the sickest footage. Sketchy staying on the outside a little bit, or inside, whatever you call it, because all the rocks push out to the out. Yeah! That's David, aka National Forest Riders. Check out his YouTube. Dude freaking rips. Never puts down that bike, man. Yeah! Now we're back to the good. Back to the good. Tight singles. Whoa, what the hell happened here, boys? Look at that dirt. Done a nice little burnout. Uh-oh. What's that? Cutting through some stuff here. Oh, tight turn. Go back to second. Cause I tell you, this first gear in this baby is it's intense. Woo! Woo! Cutting through. Whoa, neutral side. Hell yeah. Whoa. Freaking pine needles, man. You get on a pine needle in the front and you're gonna roll it, whoa, you roll your shit. Wah! This is tight. This is some good stuff right here. His brake is squeaking. Over the lump. Oh, that rock looks like a turtle's chilling right there. Yee! Almost got a clothesline right there, boys. Whoa! It's like a freaking spear, dude. Oh, this is like straight cutbacks, dude. Cut, cut, cut. Almost washed out, dude. She's freaking dialed though, dude. YZ Ripper's feeling good. Whoa, whoa. Dude, the bro's going at a good pace though, dude. I like it. Getting a little hand pump. Damn clutch. She's always been a little stiff on this girl. Woo! Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Fucking hand is, the glove is loose. Oh. Oh. You alright? Little washer dasher?
Little flag
Sick ass cutbacks though, huh?
Yeah, right when I was starting to feel it.
I could tell, dude, you started flowing. I'm like, dude, you got a good pace going on. Hell yeah! Yeah, I love riding with this guy, man. Whoa! Woo! Tree branch to the dome. Alright, now we're getting out in the sun. You can feel the temperature rise. Last time I was out here, when I rode Trail 6, she was overheating, the old girl, man. Sort of like a day like today, so I'm excited to see how she does with these little modifications I did. Oversized radiators and Boyton water pump. That was sick, he cleared it. It's like a little double, dude. Yeah. Get after it. Whoa! I nearly missed that rock. Oh shit! You thought it turned? I know, me too. That was sick. That was sick. Alright guys, we gotta do it for this vid. Smash that like button, share this vid, man. We out here ripping Forest Hill. Peace.